Few things are more stressful than when a wheelchair ramp refuses to work. You press the button and nothing happens. Or maybe it starts to move but stops halfway, and suddenly everyone is waiting. This could mean canceling activities for adult daycares or taking the van off the road for handi-transit organizations. For those that rely on accessible transportation, it can mean missing doctor's appointments, or shopping trips, or visits with friends and families. To help you avoid all of that, we'll go over the main culprits of a wheelchair ramp not working, and then how to troubleshoot them yourself. The main reason that your ramp will not work is that the interlock is not sending power to the ramp. This is a safety feature that can be confusing if you don't know what to look for. The best way to see if your interlock is working is to check if the green light is on the display. If it's not lit up, then the ramp will not work until the issue is fixed. There are three main culprits for this. Number one, the van is not in park, so your ramp will not deploy unless the transmission is in park. It's a safety system to stop the vehicle from moving when you're loading or unloading passengers. Number two, the parking brake isn't applied. Many ramp systems will require the parking brake to be engaged in order for the ramp to open. Ensure that your parking brake is pulled on or pressed down fully, depending on the model that you have. Number three, the doors are not all the way open. The ramp will not work if the doors are only halfway open or slightly stuck. Open the doors fully and listen for the click, then you know that they're fully open. Once all these conditions are correct, the interlock will send power to the ramp, allowing you to operate it. If it's still not working, we'll move on to some additional troubleshooting. Number four, something is blocking the ramp path. Check the ramp path and ensure that there's nothing blocking it. Even something like a rock or a loose mat may stop the ramp from deploying. Make sure that the area around the ramp is totally clear. Number five, your battery is low. If your vehicle battery is dying, there may not be enough power to power the ramp. If this is the issue, schedule a call with your service shop to get your battery checked. Number six, the manual release handle is pulled up. This handle lets you use the ramp manually. If it's up, the power system disconnects and the ramp won't work. This is here as a backup if you cannot get the ramp to work normally, and ensuring passengers can always get in or out. Number seven, the ramp is due for regular servicing. Like anything mechanical, ramps need checkups too. If it hasn't been serviced in a while, parts may stick, wear out, or the ramp may lose power. It is recommended that you get your ramp serviced every 6 months or every 750 cycles. If you've tried everything in this video and your ramp still won't work, the next step is to reach out to our customer service department. Our team will walk you through some of the difficulties that you're having on the phone and will help you figure out a solution. If our team can't diagnose it over the phone, we will discuss next steps to get it serviced by a professional. You can reach our customer service by calling the number on the screen, or you can simply fill out the form that I've linked below. Don't hesitate to reach out, we're always here to help.